replacement bus services in place from Canning Town, services on towards Beckton. And a table gateway for services on towards Bank. Next up for this service is Pudding Mill Lane.
That's where we could tune those that must have done
Stadium. Olympic Stadium. Sorry? Yes, yeah, very much so.
This train is for Canary Wharf. The next stop is Pudding Mill Lane. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings.
Yeah, I know, I wasn't quite sure.
What stadium's that with the little yellow?
Not quite sure.
Is that the O2 or something?
I don't know if that's part of it or not.
No, I don't think that's part of it.
No, I don't think so, just buildings, aren't they? There's Canary Wharf there, that tower. The flashing light, if you film that if you like.
Oh yeah, like this.
London landmark.
How we go on about? What, to get to...
This is Pudding Mill Lane.
Who drives the train?
Yeah, who's driving the train? Well, it's remote, but there is a driver, controlling, but like an airline.
That's the end, that was the end of the set, and then back to that.
Next station is Bow Church Change for the district and Hammersmith City line at Bow Road Station.
Yeah, it was here.
Sally, look at the floods. Flooded road. It's waterlogged.
Yeah, go on then.
No, because it's a bit of a walk here.
Sally, this is a new crossrail. Yeah, where it's all going in.
How many photos did you take today?
Before we go,
That's the road we came in when we came into the cathedral.
they think that blue top. Oh, where's this?
It's too pressure that then, right? Yeah.
Connects east to west. All the way to Heathrow, I think. All the way
Change to London Underground, District and Hammersmith at Docklands Station. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Yeah, this is where we got here last time, David. No.
It's a long walk, Rob. Unless you want to.
Because we got a bus and then got off.
No, we never did get a bus.
Didn't we?
We walked. We did.
Got a tube, didn't we?
This is Bow Church. This train is for Canary Wharf. The next stop is Devon's Road.
ইনশাআল্লাহ ইনশাআল্লাহ ভালো দেখুন ভাই ওকে
Imagine if another one was on.
This is Devon's Road.
আমি লন্ডন থেকে বলছি লন্ডন থেকে wrong number.
This train is for Canary Wharf. The next stop is Landon Park.
Oh my god, I was a little girl. Look, sheep. Have you still got the personal
This is Landon Park.
I don't know what we're doing there. It was in the morning. It was like 6 o'clock in the morning. You do realise they're like the loudest people in the streets? So what? Is that your code base or hers? I don't know. Where are we going? Canary Wharf before. Get food. Here's mine. Yes. What are we getting? Mackies. Oh my god, are you stupid?
This train is for Canary Wharf. The next stop is All Saints for Crisp Street Market. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
What? I got food from that. You know what? From the high street. You know from the high street. You know you don't have the Chinese shop. Yeah. Close it down. Got KFC there. Is it good? Can't go out. Yeah, I went there. And then I had to go. Where's the Chinese shop? So many